In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscript in Canva. If you've ever needed smaller, lowered characters for things like chemical formulas, math notations, or footnotes, Subscript is exactly what you're looking for. I'll walk you through where to find it in Canva and how to apply it cleanly so your design looks polished. Start by opening the project you want to edit. Make sure you're in the page or design where the text lives. Click the text box you're working with so it becomes active. Then click directly inside the text. Highlight only the exact characters you want to appear as Subscript. This is important because Subscript will apply to whatever is selected. If you highlight the whole line, the entire line will become Subscript, so keep your selection tight to just the number, symbol, or letters you need. With your text highlighted, look up to the top toolbar. Find the T icon with a double-headed arrow. This is the control that leads you to more text options. Click it. Now, choose More Settings. When you do, a panel opens on the left side of your screen. In that panel, look for the section labeled Formatting. Under Formatting, you'll see the Subscript option. Click Subscript, and you'll see your highlighted characters immediately drop slightly below the baseline and shrink in size. That's it. Your Subscript is applied. If you want to remove Subscript or you clicked it by mistake, simply select the same characters again and click Subscript once more to toggle it off. You can repeat this process anywhere in your design. Just remember to highlight only the characters you want formatted. A couple of quick tips to keep things tidy. If you don't see a change after clicking Subscript, check that the correct text is selected. Also, some fonts may display Subscript more clearly than others. If it looks cramped or too faint, consider switching to a clean, legible font and then reapplying Subscript to the same characters. If you subscripted too much text, don't worry. Use Undo to step back and make a more precise selection. And once you're happy with the look, you can continue editing your design as usual. Subscript formatting will be preserved when you download or share your project. That's all you need to successfully add Subscript in Canva. Select the text, open the top toolbar, go to More Settings, and click Subscript under Formatting. Keep practicing on a few examples and it'll become second nature. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!